Welcome to your quick guide on getting started with MaintainX. I'm Elise, and I lead the professional services team here at MaintainX. Our team has delivered thousands of successful implementations for customers across industries. With a plan that's tailored to your business, we'll help you and your team get up and running on MaintainX fast and set you up for long-term success. From day one, your dedicated implementation specialist will be there to help you create your gold standard of maintenance, safety, and operations to roll out at one or hundreds of sites. We'll start by working with you to define your goals and priorities with MaintainX. Next, we'll help you clean and standardize your existing data, whether it's from another CMMS, Excel spreadsheet, or even paper files. Then, we'll migrate your data, including locations, assets, parts inventory, and your PM plan, into MaintainX, making sure everything is centralized and the platform is ready for your team to get to work. While our mobile-first platform is rated the most intuitive on the market, we leave you with more than just a help doc or a self-guided tour. MaintainX provides tailored technician training sessions and videos, performance reports and adoption tracking, and industry expertise from your dedicated implementation team. This ensures that everyone from the shop floor to the executive suite is getting the most out of MaintainX from day one. Don't just take our word for it. MaintainX has consistently earned awards like Fastest Implementation, Easiest Setup, and Best Estimated ROI, among many others. Our support doesn't stop after implementation. MaintainX is your ongoing partner for progress, with dedicated client success managers, a 24/7 support team, and on-demand education, delivering everything from technical support to the latest in products and innovation. Getting started with MaintainX is fast and easy, with the typical implementation at your first site in weeks, not months. Ready to transform your maintenance and asset management? Visit our website or contact us to learn more.